Let's learn how to divide a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number today. Nellie pours 4,000 milliliters of orange juice into 2 jugs equally. What is the volume of orange juice in each jug? Let's help Nellie figure this out by dividing 4,000 by 2. "4,000 is 4 thousands. When we put 4 thousands into 2 equal groups, there will be 2 thousands in each group. 2 thousands is the same as 2,000. So 4,000 divided by 2 is 2,000. The volume of orange juice in each jug is 2,000 milliliters. Nellie needs to divide 3,069 balloons into 3 rooms equally. How many balloons will there be in each room? Let's see. 3,069 is 3 thousands, 0 hundreds, 6 tens, and 9 ones. Just like how we divide 3 digits by 1 digit, let's start dividing from the greatest place value. Let's divide the thousands first. 3 thousands divided by 3 is 1,000. Next, we'll divide the hundreds. 0 hundreds divided by 3 is 0 hundreds. Then, we'll divide the tens. What is 6 tens divided by 3? Yes, 6 tens divided by 3 is 2 tens. And finally, we'll divide the ones. 9 ones divided by 3 is 3 ones. 1,000, 0 hundreds, 2 tens, and 3 ones is 1,023. 3,069 divided by 3 is 1,023. There will be 1,023 balloons in each room. Nellie has 4,848 grams of cookies. She puts them into 4 big bags equally. What is the mass of cookies in each big bag? Let's divide 4,848 by 4 by doing the working. 4,848 is made up of 4 thousands, 8 hundreds, 4 tens, and 8 ones. Where should we start dividing? Yes, let's start dividing from the greatest place value. What do we get when we divide 4 thousands by 4? 4 thousands divided by 4 is 1,000. There are no remaining thousands. Next, let's divide the hundreds. 8 hundreds divided by 4 is 2 hundreds. There are no remaining hundreds. Then, let's divide the tens. What is 4 tens divided by 4? 4 tens divided by 4 is 1 10. Once again, we have no remaining tens. Lastly, let's divide the ones. 8 ones divided by 4 is 2 ones. There are no remaining ones. 1,200s, 1 10 and 2 ones is 1,212. 4,848 divided by 4 is 1,212. The mass of cookies in each big bag is 1,212 grams. Did you get that? Do you know how to divide 4 digits by 1 digit now? Try dividing 2,860 by 2 and see what you get. Two 2,860 is 2,000s, 800s, 6 10s, and 0 1s. Did you divide the thousands first? 2,000s divided by 2 is 1,000. 800s divided by 2 is 400s. 6 10s divided by 2 is 3 10s. 0 1s divided by 2 is 0 1s. 1,000, 400s, 3 10s, and 0 1s is 1,430. When we divide 2,860 by 2, we get 1,430. What have we learned? We've learned how to divide a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. We divide the thousands first, followed by the hundreds, the tens, and the ones.